Hey everybody, welcome back to another video where today I am playing Roblox Flood Escape 2. And I'm playing with my friend Jeff8Food2. Well, he would be here if he wasn't on the pro server. Or the regular Flood Escape. But yeah. So, this is a fun game. You should definitely try it if you're playing Roblox. So, yeah. Right now it's going to be a hard lava tower. Oh man, this is my worst enemy. The trick is always let other people press the button on this map. Other than easy ones, like that one. Nope, I died. Woo! Okay, bye. Okay, that was annoying. Alright, I'm back. And right now, it's another, I forget what kind of a map this is. That person's got that. I'm gonna go into this water and you'll see how you get this. It's kind of fun for this map, getting this button. Especially when other people failed. Like, there's two buttons you can get in this map that are relatively easy. Well, actually, all buttons are relatively easy in this. But, yeah, in this map. So, yeah. I hope... Okay, good. Someone got that button. That button's actually pretty hard to get. Although, I'm pretty good at it. Now, this... Okay. Hey, I did it. First try. Nice. And for Flood Escape 2, you can hold in spacebar to speed climb ladders, which is super fun. Well, that is when you actually make it. Sometimes you don't make it. Yes! Level up! Come on. Yes! And as you can see, I just got out. And of course it wouldn't let me. Bam! As you can see, I speed climbed, and that's how I got it before that dude. Woo! Dude, I almost died there. Alright, so let's do this. Now, I am pretty slow at doing that just because I'm cautious. Some people would say I don't. Well, actually, I don't know what other people would say. But as you can see, I got out of the thing by shift clicking. It works great. No! Ugh. That's kind of annoying. How did that person do that? I have no idea. I do know I will be getting that button so that I can actually hold my reputation. Of course I don't. If you guys are wondering who I'm talking to to Jeff8Food2, my friend on Roblox. Ugh. Also, he has a YouTube channel called Roblox Buddies. Check it out. Yeah, Buddies is spelled with a Z. So check his channel out. It's pretty cool. So yeah. No! And I totally failed that. I'm gonna not die. No, okay. I might die now. Unless I don't mess it up. As you can see, the acid water is coming up. So from now on, I'm just gonna go in and wait until it comes up and watch this. Oh, never mind. Don't watch it because it goes too fast. But as you can see, I'm a pretty cool pro. I'm level 16 now, as you could see by me leveling up. I kind of sometimes can do this hack. Like, I've only done that once or twice. But yeah, it's a fun hack to do. Trick is always let them do that. And then jump off and follow them. Well, sometimes if you can actually make it before them, you can actually go onto the wall you saw there and actually go ahead of them. As you can see, I sped. No! Oh gosh, yeah. Oh, I was so close to not dying. That one's pretty hard to do, and so, yeah. Now, I am eating chips, so don't mind me. Oh, this one's pretty fun. And as you can see, my friend Jeff 8Food23 is right there. He's a pro. He's level... Wait, what level are you? 47. Oh, gosh. That guy's got it. That guy looks like he's a high level. Yeah! Oh, yay. Someone got that one. I'm guessing it was you, Jeff. 8Food23. Who's got that button? Hello. People, you need to move it. Move it. You got to move it, move it. You got to move it, move it. Please hurry up and move it, move it. Thank you. Okay, now just do that and now roll out. Man, I'm good at that. Woohoo! As you can see, if you do that, you can get in onto here. Cool. I'm almost at 100 gems because I haven't been spending them. No, well, I have to get 600 coins. Remember, you made me buy auras? Is it called auras? Dude, thank you. But they're also called auras, right? Yeah, yeah. Bam. I've only done that button once, I think, before. I've done most of the other buttons way more than that. Whoa. I almost fell off there. That would have been hilarious, though. Okay. You won't let me get out, eh? Well, I'll just let myself get out. Yes! Did it. Bam. Hey, Jeff, 8Food23, how did you like that, huh? I'm just gonna call you Jeff. Alright? Bam. Oh, yeah, I died. Well, I'll see you when I actually... Alright, hi everybody back. Welcome back. Yeah. Oh, this one. So the lift just got locked to insane, which is always insane. No? Okay. Okay, how did they do that? Are they hackers? Nope. Oh gosh. Also, if you do shift lock, it makes you look like a pro. Which some people already are. Okay. I hope other people... Oh, nobody else... Okay, hello? Thank you. Go, Jeff! Go, Jeff! Go, Jeff! Don't let us die! Don't let us die! Don't let... You didn't let us die! Well, you didn't let us die, if we... Well, okay. Let me try to rephrase that. We have a choice now if we want to die or not. Yes! Bam! Oh, yeah. That's how you do. Oh, no. Yeah. No, I died. Yay. Well, I won't skip because I think not many people are very good. Hey, also we can watch this Jeff ate food 23. Or as I like to call him, Jeff. Okay, he died. Nice try. Bravo, mate. Oh no, you... Well done. Sinking ship. No. Okay, fine. I think I'm the only one that is doing this. And hey, I know how to kind of cheat. Not really cheating, but yeah. As you can see, I am a trooper. No. Okay, I'm dead. As you can see, I am dead. Yay, I died. Well, guys, I think that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!